Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have come with Ladi Pav or Pav Bun recipe. These are cotton soft buns and it's so nice to bake your own Pav buns at home and for your Pav Bhaji and stuffed Pav buns. So let us see how to bake it. For that here I have taken 500 grams of all-purpose flour or maida, and into that I am adding 3 tablespoons of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Make a well in the center and add a teaspoon of yeast. If using active dry yeast, activate the yeast in a little of the liquid and add it into the flour. 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can use any sweetener of your choice like brown sugar, jaggery, um, or honey. And into this, we'll add 300 ml of here I am using whey water, that is the water after removing paneer from milk. Instead of whey, you can use milk, a mixture of milk and water or milk itself with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And let us mix this. Here I am just using a kneading hook. Add the remaining water and mix well. If you are using a lesser quantity of flour like 250 grams or 300 grams, you can use the kneading hook itself to knead the dough. But as I have taken 500 grams, I will be kneading by hand itself. Now the dough is mixed well. Let us add in 50 grams of butter and mix till it is incorporated into the dough. You can add butter while if you're kneading by hand, it is better to add butter during the kneading process. Now I'll remove the kneading hook and transfer this onto a flat surface. Transfer the dough onto a flat surface and knead it by hand till the dough passes the window pane test. Now let us use the stretch and fold method to knead the dough. Detailed kneading is shown in my previous bread videos. If you are interested, please check them out. I will put them in the description box. Now the dough has become nice, soft and pliable. It's become very elastic. When we stretch the dough, it's not breaking. It's become like a window pane. So now the kneading is done. The dough is well kneaded now. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. While subscribing, please press the bell icon and select all option to get notifications of my new videos. Thank you. Now we'll transfer the dough into a well greased bowl. And allow it to proof for 1 to 1.5 hours till it doubles in size. We'll cover the bowl with a cling film or a damp cloth. Now the dough is risen well. When we punch the dough, it will not rise back, it will collapse. That shows that the dough is risen well. Now we'll transfer it onto the countertop and shape it into balls. Here I'm dividing this into 16 balls. Let us make a log out of the dough. And divide it into 16 equal portions. A kitchen balance can be used to make portions of equal size. Here I've taken a well-greased baking tin. We'll shape the balls and make smooth buns out of it and place it in the baking tray. Now all the balls are shaped. Now we'll allow this to proof for around half an hour till it doubles in size. Cover it with a cling film or a damp cloth and proof it. This is my snake plant. How do you like it? The dough is proofed. The buns are proofed. Now let us brush with ghee or melted butter and bake it at 200 degrees Celsius with both the top rod, bottom rod and the fan on for around 15 minutes. Now the buns are beautifully baked with golden brown color. Let us brush some ghee on top. So our cotton soft and fluffy pav buns are ready. Please try the recipe. Give your feedback. Would love to see your suggestions and comments in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.